So let us continue. I couldn't solve you 30 minutes 40 minutes videos. I'll try because there are internet issues. You know, it is a rainy season, so I'm not getting internet fast, and due to some this heavy rain and rains, the connection is not proper at home. So please pardon me for sending short videos, 10 minutes 15 minutes videos. I'll try my best to send videos of 30-40 minutes. Okay, no issues. So this is a question we are solving. So sales is given of February, March, April, May, June. Okay, purchase also given from February to June, and wages also given from February to June. Okay, so this is important, and with that, this additional information is very much important. See what he says in additional information. See what he's saying. 50% of credit sales are realized in the month following the sales. It means what? 50% of the credit sales are realized in the month following the sales. It means and the remaining sales in the following second month. So there are no cash sales in the problem or a credit sales. What he says, if you sell 50, if you sell previous month the sales, so that is 50% you will realize this month. It means what? I'll explain you. We are preparing budget from April, right? So when the sales in the March of there is no cash sales, so this month April sales are not required for the month of April, because it is cash sales, not cash sales. Here we are having credit sales. It means in the month of March, the goods which we sold, the money will receive in the month of April. How much? 50% is saying. So it's very easy. So what we are saying, 1 month back we have to go. What is saying? 50% sales will be realized in the month following the sales, is saying. So means March money will receive in the month of April. Okay, March money will receive in the month of April. How much percent is saying? 50% is saying. Okay. Next again what is saying? And the remaining sales in the following second month. The remaining sales means what? Remaining sales means, take example, the goods which is sold in the month of March, that will receive in the month of April 50%. So 1,92,000, 50% will receive in the month of April. And he's saying in the month of February, so in the month of February we sold goods 1,80,000, and this also will receive after 2 months. So February 1 month complete, March complete, so it will receive in the month of April. So like this we have to do. So it means 50% will receive in the month of March sale in the month of April, and 50% will receive a February month of sales in the month of April. Easy, believe me, it's very easy. What is saying? 1 month before you go. He says 1 month means from where we are preparing budget, April to June. So from April we have to start. So 1 month before you go. He says 1 month before. So this concept you understand. Try to understand. 50% of the credit sales are realized in the month following the sales. So following the sales means you go 1 month before. April 1 month before is what? 50 March. Okay. So 1,92,000, 50% will receive in the month of April. Next. Again what is saying? He's saying and the remaining sales in the following second month. So it means what? Goes 2 months back. 2 months. 1 month means go 1 month back. 2 months means go to 1 month back. Okay. So in the month of April we'll receive February sales 50%, and the March sales 50% will receive in the month of April. And May month will receive 50% of April sales and 50% of March sales. Okay. In June month we'll receive 50% of May and 50% of April. Like this you have to see. So 1 month if you do, rest of the months is very easy. So 2 months back means you have to go 2 months back. So February 50% will receive in the month of April, and March 50% will receive in the month of April. 1 month back. Again when you start from May means we have to go 2 months back. March 50% you will receive in the month of May, and April 50% you will receive in the month of May. Again June means what? Go 1 month back. You will receive 50% of May and 50% of April. 2 months back. Okay, it's very easy. If you understand sales, you can understand purchase also. Next, this is what sales. Sales expenses. What is saying? Purchase. What is saying? Credit cards are paid in the month following of purchase. So it means what? The goods which are purchased in the month of March, the payment will be made in the month of April. The goods which is purchased in the month of April, the payment will be made in the month of May. The goods which are purchased in the month of May, that will be paid in the month of June. Easy. It's very easy. It's about purchases. Wages, he did not say anything. So same month wages we have to pay. Wages information is not said, but again what is said, cash at bank on 1st April, that is opening balance 25,000, and information of this is not given, wages and all. So what we have to think, the same month wages we have to pay. So April month we have to pay in the month of April, May month wages we have to pay in the month of wages, and June month wages we have to pay in the month of June. It's easy. Okay, I know you will not understand first problem, I know, but please have patience, you'll be able to understand when I solve the problems. Easy. Chalo. So I have prepared a 3 months budget, April, May, June. Okay, so first we'll write format. So format we know, cash budget. Okay, if you want you can write name of the company. Okay, for the period he said of April to June. Okay, next particulars, April, May, June. Okay, so first information we have tried about receipts. Now receipts means first we have tried opening balance, cash receipts are not there, even it is not there you can write nil. Collection from debtors is there, total receipts will write. Next we have making payments to credit, cash payments are not there, wages we have to write, payments to creditors we have to write, wages we can write, payments we can write. Okay, so first let us first print the format, complete the format first. So first we'll write opening balance of cash. Okay, next we'll add cash receipts. I know in this problem there are no cash sales. Okay, it means what, cash sales not there, we can write directly nil. Next we can write collection from debtors, collection from debtors. Okay, next we do total receipts, you can write total A. Next we can write payments, we have to deduct payments. First cash payments, there are no cash payments. Cash payments means cash purchases, there are no cash purchases. Okay, next I can write payment to creditors. Next I'll write total payments, you can write total as B. Next I can write closing balance of cash, A minus B. Easy. Chali. So information is given about 25% opening balance, so 25,000 opening balance in the month of April. Okay, chali. Next cash receipts are not there, I will write nil. Now we have to write collection from debtors, so I'm writing working note number 1. Okay, so I'm writing here working note number 1, cash collection from debtors. So we have to write cash collection from debtors, we have to write this. Okay, now cash collection from debtors means April month we are doing out, finding out cash collections. Okay, how much we collected. So what he is saying in the question, he is saying 50% of credit sales are realized in the following month. So means following month means what, 1 month before we have to go. 1 month before of April is what, March. Okay, so March 50% sales we have to do, plus one more thing is saying, and the remaining sales in this following 2 months. So 2 months before you go, so before 2 months you go, that is February. How much? 50%. Okay, so 1 month he says, so go 1 month before of April. 2 months means go 2 months before of April. Easy, very easy. If he says 1 month following means in the month of April we receive, March month 50%, and 2 months means February 2 months will receive, February months will receive. So March month how much is sales? March month sales is 1,92,000. Okay, so let me write 1,92,000 into how much percent? 50%, plus February how much? 1,80,000, 50%. In the question is said 50%, we have to take 50%. So March means 1,92,000 into 50%. We are getting 96,000. So March 96,000 plus February how much? 1,80,000 into 50%. 90,000. So total we received 96,000 plus 90,000 is 1,86,000 we received total. Easy. Okay. So can I write in the month of April? Yes. In the month of April, collection from debtors 1,86,000. Okay. Next month is what? After April we have budget of May. May means go 1 month before. 1 month before means April 50%. Then 2 months before May will be what? March 50%. Okay. So April sales, how much we are having in question? April sales we are having 1,08,000. Okay. So I'll write 1,08,000 into 50% plus May month how much? Sorry, not 2 months before. March is how much? 1,92,000 into 50%. 1,08,000 into 50%. You're getting 54,000 plus 1,92,000 into 50%. We're getting 508 means 50,800. So plus 5,40,000. Sorry, 192 into 50%. Oh, 96,000 we are getting. 1,92,000 into 50%. 96 plus 54,000. We are getting 1,50,000. Okay. So in the month of May we are getting 1,50,000. Next June will do. June month means first before June what we'll get? May 50% plus 2 months before June is what? April 50%. So May month sales is how much? May month sales we are having 1,74,000. 1,74,000 into 50% plus April month sales how much we are having? 1,08,000 into 50%. Okay. So 1,74,000 into 50% we are getting 87,000 plus 1,08,000 into 50% we are getting 54,000. 87,000 plus 54,000 we are getting 1,41,000. Okay. So I can write in the month of June 1,41,000 sales. Collection from debtors. Easy. Yes. So see in the question, 1 month means in the Alex, let me explain. See, April collection from debtors we are finding out. He is saying 1 month before means March payment will receive in the month of April. How much percent? 50%. And 2 months before. 2 months before means February month 50% will receive in the month of April. So April month we are receiving. In the month of April will receive March 50% and February 50%. Okay. In the question is said, and in the month of May will receive April 50% and March 50%. Okay. And in the month of June, will receive May 50% 1 month before, and 2 months before means what? April 50%. Easy. It's very easy. In the question if he says a month following means here. In the month following the sales means from where we are preparing budget? April. So go 1 month before 50%. If it is 2 months before, 2 months means go before April 2 months. So April, February will receive in the month of April and March will receive in the month of April. Okay. Again in the month of May will receive 1 month before means April and 2 months before means March. And June 1 month before means May and 2 months before means April. Easy. Very easy. Chal. Next payments now. We don't have any cash payments. In the problem cash payment is not given. Next he says creditors are paid in the month of following month of purchase. Very easy. Following month of purchase means wait. 1 month before. Now from where we are preparing budget? April we are preparing. So 1 month before means go in the month of March. So it means March month purchases. March month purchases we pay in the month of April. So can I write here 1,44,000? Which month purchases it is? March month. Okay. Next in the month of April, May. In the month of May, which purchases will write? Will write purchases of April. So I'll write here 2,43,000. Just same as sales. collection from debtors. And in the month of June, which month purchase will pay? May month will pay. So 2,46,000. Easy. It's very easy. Okay. So this which month? May, April. We are making payment of April. But which month purchase we have to pay? March month payment we are making. And we are making payment in the month of May. Which month? April month. And in the month of June, which payments will make? May month will prepare. Make payments. It's very easy. Just to see what 1 month of purchase means, from where we are preparing budget, April. So this is March. May means this is April, and this June means this is of May. That's it. Once if you understand this concept, you can understand this concept also. So 1 month before means before April 1 month, May 1 month before, June 1 month before. That's it. Okay. Now we'll do total payments, but one more payment is there. What is the payment? Wages. I did not write here. Let me write wages also. So wages information is not said given here when we are paying. So we can directly take the same month wages we are paying in the same month. Information is not given, right? So the same month payments will do in the same month. So April wages will pay in the month of wages, April, May month in the month of May, and June in the month of June. So let me write April is how much? 11,000. May is 10,000, and June is 15,000. Done. Okay. So let me do total. Okay. So 25,000 plus 1,86,000. I'll get 2,11,000. So 2,11,000 is the total receipts, and payments have to deduct. So do total of payments 1,44,000 plus 11,000. So 1,55,000 total payments I am getting. Okay. So from 2,11,000, if we deduct 1,55,000, we'll get 56,000. So 56,000 is your surplus. 56,000 is your surplus. Why surplus? Because you have more money. See, you have total receipts 2,11,000. So you have 2,11,000 with you. From that 2,11,000, if you deduct 1,55,000, that is your payments, you have more money. That is surplus. So this closing balance, again, this is important. This closing balance will become next month opening balance. So in the month of April, whatever money is left over, that will go again in the month of May. So 156, I'll write here 56,000. This is opening balance it become. Okay. Again 56,000 plus 1,50,000. So you get how much? Total 2,06,000. Okay. Now payments we have to do 2,43,000 plus 10,000, getting 2,53,000. Now concentrate. So we have added 56 plus 1,50,000, 2,06,000 we got, but payments we have to make 2,53,000. See, we have 2,06,000 with us, and we have 2,53,000 we have to make payments. It is what? Deficit. So we'll get deficit 2,63,000. 47,000 deficit will get 47,000. So I can write this in brackets. Means bank overdraft. This is what? Bank overdraft 47,000. So again this closing balance will become next month what? Opening balance. Now it is important from here onwards. So I'm writing 47,000. This is in brackets. This is in brackets, means minus deficit. So 47 you have to deduct now. 47,000 minus 1,41,000. 94,000 you are getting. Why I am deducting? Because it is in the minus. Overdraft means what? Negative. Negative means what? It is minus and this is plus. So 47 minus 1,41,000, 94,000 you are getting. Again you have 2,46,000 plus 15,000. So you are getting 2,61,000. You have only 94,000, but you have to make payments 2,61,000. Okay. So again 94,000 minus 2,61,000, you get 1,67,000 negative. Just write in bracket. That's it. Okay. So first month you are having surplus of 56. Second month you are having negative balance, that is 47. Bank overdraft. This is called as bank overdraft. Bank OD. This is also bank OD. We can call as bank overdraft or deficit. This is what? Surplus. You can call this as deficit, or you can call as bank OD. You can call this as deficit or bank OD. Simple, very easy. Just try to understand this collection from debtors. Only once if you understand this, rest is very easy. Okay, easy. So wages we paid in the same month because information is not given. So like this you solve problems. It's very easy to solve problems. Okay, I'll solve 2 more problems on this. Don't worry. Similar question will come in exam. Same pattern question will come in exam. Only he'll changes the amounts. Okay, chaliye. Please do practice the problems. Thank you.